Guys, what's up? This is Austin from Support. In today's quick training video, I wanted to show you how to access international markets. By default, you're going to access the US markets when you type in a stock in the search bar. So for instance, if I start typing Microsoft, it's going to search Microsoft for me on the US stock market. So that's how we're going to do it there. However, if you want to access international stocks like the Indian, I should say the BSE, the NSE, or in Canada, the TSX or the TSX Venture, or Australian stocks, anything like that, if you want to access those, you need to follow this system. So here on the international stocks, I kind of walk you through, which is what this video is. But you can see here, these are all the stocks or the stock markets that we support. So you can come here and you can see, okay, let's say I want to access the BSE. What's the exchange symbol? It's the BSE. So when I come here, I'm going to type in BSE : and now I'm searching on the BSE market or the BOM. And so now whenever I search a stock here, it's going to be searching through the BOM or that specific market. And so we can do that for all these markets across the board. And so let's say I want to search Shopify on the Canadian market. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to type in TSX : Shopify, and right there, now I can access an international market. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at support@theimpeccable investor.com.